Check out this Chrysler 2020 Voyager L. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are AI air conditioning with 3-zone temp control included, rear air conditioning with heater, brilliant black crystal pearl coat, quick order package 27B included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, manufacturer's statement of origin, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, black seats, alloy black cloth bucket seats, engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS, STD, and front-wheel drive. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.